Hi team, Unit 9, Lesson 2, identify and draw parallel and perpendicular lines. Again, Priska, I sent Nicole that video that includes parallel and perpendicular lines. Skill today, similar to the day before, is identify characteristics of parallel and perpendicular lines. I'm using attributes and characteristics interchangeably. Application today is draw parallel and perpendicular lines, identify characteristics of parallel and perpendicular lines, identify if a thing is parallel or perpendicular, name and label, that's actually giving them their name and correctly writing it, and then creating parallel and perpendicular lines from a given object. So these two are different because this is actually building off of a given object to create that. Thinking questions, I changed significantly. So these are your thinking questions. What are the characteristics of parallel and perpendicular lines? How can I use characteristics to draw, identify them, and how are each different? These are not strong. Yeah, I just don't think, they think they give too much in the thinking question itself. So that's why I changed them. And then this is like the beginning of it, but the actual definition itself is where the characteristics and attributes come into play. Also, there's no way to make an object that has one set of parallel lines and only one set of perpendicular lines. There are two sets of perpendicular lines here, so I just want to throw that out there. Please use the song to help kids get there because it actually creates that parallel, and I can't make perpendicular lines with my fingers, but it actually builds that physical movement in.